Today's Soulcraft AI tip is on how to reset a chat without having to restart. So I've got something that I've asked ChatGPT to do for me. It's just an article. Doesn't matter what it is. Might be design a process for you, or whatever it is that you're doing. With this particular article, I've said, hey, can you make it a little bit more exciting? So I click the send button, and off it goes and changes the language. Now, what tends to happen is as you start to make more changes, what actually happens is the context window here gets filled and it starts to get out of control, and we've all experienced that. So instead of actually starting a new chat and then having to do all of the stuff that did work all over again, a really good way to fix this is to just go back to where it started to go off track. So in this particular case, I might say, well, I liked the original one, I just didn't like the language. Now it's completely different. So what I can do is I can come back to this very first one here, and where I originally said make it more exciting, I can click this little button here, and then I can actually restart the chat from that point. So I can say, create a set of posts, for instance, and completely change it. So now it's going to go and do a whole heap of posts for me. So that's a little bit of a tip. So you don't always need to go and change everything. You don't need to reset. You don't need to restart or create a new chat when things get out of hand. Just go back to where it started to go off track and restart from there. Cheers.